Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode of Talking Tinnitus, presented by Lanier. We're here with Dr. Miles Sabine. Very grateful to have you on the show, Miles. Welcome. So Miles is a tinnitus expert at Tobias and Battite Hearing Wellness in Boston, and he has a doctorate in audiology from Northwestern University and is a term lecturer at Mass General Hospital Institute of Health Professions. So great to have you, Miles.
Thank you for the invitation.
You're welcome. Today's topic is what professions commonly have tinnitus?
Some of the most common professions that might experience tinnitus often involve high levels of noise.
Sure.
So you're thinking musicians, construction workers, people who work in a factory or around any heavy equipment, heavy machinery, things like that.
Okay, which makes sense. I suppose noise exposure can have a certain effect on hearing, which in turn might then have a certain effect on causing tinnitus. Right?
Exactly.
Okay, interesting. And so from a practice perspective, when tinnitus patients come see you, they're probably more commonly coming from these professions other than others.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
And so then we have to make an assessment of, well, we'll deal with the tinnitus that you're experiencing now, and then get you set up to prevent it from getting worse in the future through additional noise exposure.
For sure. And so you might be talking to them about, let's get you set up maybe on the tinnitus treatment, whatever the case may be appropriate there, but noise protection as well, that might be appropriate whilst they're all getting treated for tinnitus. Okay. So a little bit of separate clinical judgment on that one. Okay, interesting. So that's not to say that obviously people in these professions don't have tinnitus and certainly come and there's probably not a ton of difference between the types of tinnitus as the case may be. It's just that it might be more common.
Right. A lot of things can cause tinnitus, but almost always the causes of the tinnitus don't necessarily dictate the treatment or what we have to do about it. So it's always good to come in and get it evaluated anyways.
Very good. Okay, so probably the message is, regardless of whether you work in a profession with an awful lot of noise, if you're experiencing tinnitus, find a tinnitus expert who knows this stuff, get yourself an appointment, and they'll figure out the best path for you.
I haven't met anyone who has regretted that yet. So
that's a good decision to make. Okay, well, that's great. Thanks for joining the show today, Miles. Appreciate your time.
Yeah, thank you.